Hello guys and welcome back to my channel today. Oh yes, today. Baby Yellow is now muted. Today we will be doing something that's insane. We're not gonna be doing some Meow Playground. I'm just kidding, we are gonna do some Meow Playground. We're gonna do tag. After this, we will try and just glitch everyone out of here. Do you know what I mean by that? By that I mean I'm gonna kill. Oh. Okay, I need to go into a big room. Baby Ella. Ooh, you're comfortable. You're uncomfortable. You're so uncomfortable. You're so uncomfortable. Sophie Cohen is now recording. That's what I expected. You're baby Ella. Baby Ella. Are you baby Ella? Baby Ella doesn't roll for me. Are you real, Bobby? Baby. Are you real? Yes, you're real. If you don't touch me, kill me, or whatever you want to do it, just call me whatever. Whatever you want to say. Oh, let's go! Swiss Rose is dead. Blah, 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 blah is dead. Noise spawn. Yeah, noise spawn. I don't know what to do! Great! Now I can't get any coins because I'm just dumb. How do I get coins now that I'm here? How do I get coins? Oh, that's how I get coins. No! Guess who take all the coins? I hate Guess so much. I hate Guess so much. Fake Ella. No! Not fake. Not fake. Not fake. Not fake. Yes, not fake. Come on. Stop spawning. That's destructive. So unrealistic destructive. Thanks for not hitting me. Storm is so hated. I have 13 coins. Maybe I'll mute it. I'm just gonna take this coin if you don't mind. Destructive. Who are you? You're a pro guest. Shouldn't have gone for them. Literally, I can't even hit anyone. But at least I didn't get hit a lot times. Most of the time, I'm not getting hit. Happily friends. Who are you? Who even are you? Come on! Okay, whatever. I was only whatever. Whatever. I'm getting tired of tag, so let's do some dodgeball then. Yeah, I'm really just tired of tag. Really tired of tag. Also, Grumpy said something new. And I think it's in the arcade. Yeah, it's in the arcade. Okay, whatever. Baby Yellow is muted. Baby Yellow. How do you spell 9? How do you spell 9? I still don't exactly get what false means. Oh, it's not true. It is true, whatever. 81. 95. Okay. Yeah, I'm not Portuguese. What's my gaming score? I still really wonder. Can you just... Oh my gosh. I promised I would get a lot of gaming score. But I feel like I just broke my promise. Wait, what the? Hello? What the? Okay, I got 50 coins. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's nice. Um, once I get to 100 pool plushies, you know what? I'm just gonna give, please. I'm gonna do something after this one. I'm just gonna open my studio. And bye.